So what's going on, everybody? Today I'll be showing you a quick tutorial how you can import your Phantom wallet into your Axiom Pro. So let me show you. So first of all, go to your portfolio, then you're gonna see import right here, but first we need to get the key. So go over to your Phantom wallet and then go into this manage accounts, press on it, select the account you want to import, press on it, then you go show private key, and then once you're here, pick Solana, press on it, and now do not share this private key. That's why I'm blurring it out. And then just copy whatever you get. It should say your private key, so just copy, and then go over to your Axiom trade, and then you press import and just paste that key and import, and in a few seconds, boom. So we just imported the wallet. As you can see, this is the same wallet over from Phantom. So basically what this means is now whenever we go into our Phantom wallet right here, if we send Solana to this address, like to this address we just imported in the Axiom, I will receive it straight up into Axiom. So yeah, it's useful and stuff. Quick tutorial. Enjoy. Take care. Be safe.